This is 2010 Mazda 3. Customer came in with no audio. We're going to find out if it has power at the back of the radio. We're going to check the amplifier on the passenger seat as well. So first thing you're going to do is, radio comes out pretty simple. You're going to remove this top cover first. There's a panel popper to remove that. I have it partially out. Once you remove, there are 2 Phillips screws right here. There's nothing else, but it's a snug, so you're going to have to grab this top corner and you simply pull forward. The entire radio comes out like that. It's very simple. No special tools required. The panel popper and 2 Phillips. And you can access that. We're going to check the power back of the radio. And also there is an amplifier on the passenger seat. I had it out. It's under here. It's a Bose amplifier. I got test amplifier there. So this is the original one. It's held on with 3 10 mil. One here. These are the back ones. And another one on the front. So once you remove, it's under the seat. And they usually get wet. Right? But I don't see no watermark. But I'm going to find out to see if there's any watermark inside the amp. Alright, turned out the factory amplifier under the seat, it got wet. That's no good. And also the radio gone bad as well, I guess due to the water damage on the signal. So customer decided to just put a new radio in. So what we did is we put 9 conductor wire from the amplifier, ran it up. These are all color matching. You just match the colors. I'm going to put it online, what wires what on the factory side on the amplifier, speaker wires and all that stuff. So we ran the wire from the factory amplifier and grab all the speakers from the factory plug, ran it up here. We are putting this Carplay Android Auto. It's a sound stream. And I'm going to put the dash kit model on the online. And you just simply connect all these harnesses and USB. And you just plug it in. So we ran this USB cable with a cup holder, yes. I'm going to take the locking clips off the factory radio and put it on the side, on the bottom side. And install 2 screws on the top.
But I need to connect the speaker.